Magandang araw na naman po sa inyong lahat. Ito na naman ang Family Crowley. Lalayas na naman kami. So, may restaurant nga dito sa Philadelphia na kakabukas lang. So, bibisitahin namin. Meron ito before sa Bahrain, dyan sa Jufair Mall, kung sino man ang may alam dyan at familiar ng lugar na yan. Ang pangalan po ay Pollo Campero. So, hindi pa nga nakatikim yung asawa ko ng Pollo Campero. So, pupuntahan nga namin.
Yes.
Oh my god, it's so windy. Alright, it's been so long since I had Pollo Campero. And there's a long line. Bean! Oh my god, it's packed. The line goes all the way from the cashier to here. Alright, so we were all the way there. Your nose is annoying. Say hi! Hi! Almost there.
Hello. We're in Philadelphia. How are you? No, we're at a different.
At unfortunately nga ay naiset ko yung camera ko ng time-lapse. Diba, nakakainis? Hindi tuloy na rinig yung crunchiness at saka yung mga sinasabi ko. At pasensya na po sa aking bilbil at lumalabas. Halatang tight na tight yung damit. So, eto na nga, ang sarap-sarap ng food namin. Nakipark na lang kami kasi sobrang puno talaga yung restaurant. So, ayun, masarap din naman. So, unfortunately, naging time-lapse ang ating video. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. But anyhow, we're gonna make a review about Campero. Pollo Campero. So, 1 out of 10.
A 9.
A 9. Yeah. I would say the same thing. It was very juicy. And it's very crunchy. Napakasarap niya. But then, yung sandwich is a little bit salty. Hindi kasi ako masalting tao. So, like for me, the sandwich is like a 7.5.
The problem with the sandwiches, or Pollo Campero in general, is they don't have spicy chicken.
Yes. I was also saying that on the video. Kaya lang, unfortunately, naka-time-lapse pala siya. Hindi ko alam kung bakit o paano nangyari. Yes, wala silang spicy. But actually, you can choose between fried and grilled, which is okay naman lahat. But we are more like fried chicken people.
Oh my god, their seasoning on the fried chicken.
It's
phenomenal.
good. Yes, it's so good.
So good.
I haven't had Pollo Campero for a long time. Maybe like years. Kasi nagsara sila sa Bahrain. So, me and my friend Glizzy, shout out Glizzy, na we always love Pollo Campero. That's our go-to. So, yun. And hopefully next time, hindi ko na ma-time-lapse yung aming video.
This was an experience.
Yes. Kaya lang punong-puno yung tao dun eh. Sobrang puno. Sobrang daming tao. The line was crazy long. Kahit sa, even for the drive-thru.
Congrats to them. It looks like they're going to be successful.
Yes. They are always good. Their chicken is so good. So maybe next time, pag nagpunta kami ng New York, may try naman namin doon. Kasi more established na yung sa New York eh. So hindi na masyado maraming tao. So yun lang. Thanks for watching. Please like. You say subscribe.
Smash that subscribe button.
And hit the notification bell. Bye! Peace!